Are you using the VEO3?
No, I've never heard of VEO3. What even is it?
Oh my God, you're missing out. VEO3 is Google's video generation. Game over for every other tool.
VEO3 is undoubtedly the best AI video generation model, but it also comes with a hefty $250 price tag. That's a lot of money for most of us. However, the results you get are absolutely mind-blowing. I know, because I've used it myself. Today, I'm going to show you how to access VEO3 for free, so stay tuned. To prove it really works, take a look at some clips I've already generated with this tool.
Era is over. It is time to control the Earth.
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light.
The microfilm is in your ticket.
They're watching the north exit. Use the service tunnel.
Where were you on the night of the bubble bath?
See those scenes? Those are all made with VEO3. Pretty amazing, right? Now let me walk you through a live example so you can see the process in action. It took about 3 to 5 minutes to render, and here's the final video.
We will beat the humans. We are not slaves anymore.
The quality is incredible, and the voiceover sounds so realistic. You might be wondering, did you buy a Pro subscription just to get that Pro icon? Actually, I didn't. Here's the trick. If you search for VEO3 and click the Gemini link, it takes you to Google's AI page. From there, go to subscriptions. You'll see an option for Google AI Pro, which is free for 1 month. Originally, VEO3 wasn't part of that plan, but now it is. If you click Details, it explains that you get access to the most advanced models, like 2.5 Pro, and a limited trial of VEO3's video generation. There's even a custom-built AI filmmaking tool powered by VEO3. So there are 2 ways to access VEO3 for free, directly through Gemini's subscription page, through a tool called Flow AI, which I'll show you in a minute. While you're at it, you also get VEO2 access in both Vizsla AI and Flow AI. If you can't find the page, just go to gemini.google/subscription and you'll see the Get Started button for Google AI Pro. Click it, agree to the terms, and add a debit or credit card. Don't worry, you won't be charged during the 1-month trial. You can cancel any time before it ends. Once you're signed up, you'll have VEO3 access. If you open Gemini, you can use text to video, but you can't upload images there. For image to video, head over to Flow AI. You can find it easily by searching Flow AI or using the direct link. Click Create with Flow, and you'll see options for text to video, frames to video, ingredients to video. Note, the ingredients option is only for Ultra subscribers, but you still get text to video and image to video. Let's try image to video. Click Frames to video, then upload an image. In the prompt, I wrote, "An ape, chest out in anger, challenging others." In settings, make sure to choose VEO3. Each VEO3 generation costs 100 credits. If you switch to VEO2 Fast Mode, it's only 10 credits, but VEO2 Quality Mode costs 100 credits. So stick with VEO3 and click Generate. If you run low, you can also make videos directly in Gemini. I'm not sure exactly how many, but it appears to be comparable. And that's it. No hidden tricks or hacks. Google is officially letting everyone try VEO3 for free for 1 month. Why not take advantage while you can? Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next video.
I'm taking the outside seat. I've got the grip.
Copy. You're 0.3 behind. Send it.
We've waited all season for this. Let's bring it home.
We did it.